welcome to another video. Today I've got another Hoover unboxing. In here's rare-ish, well yeah, it's quite a rare Numatic in here, which I managed to win on eBay last week. So it's a little project for me, this is. Should spend a day or so cleaning this up, yeah, and you'll see why. I don't think it's in that much of a state, but it's just the finish on it, really. Well, they've included some Henry instructions. I don't know why, but yeah, we've got some random Henry instructions, but it's not Henry. Oh god. Well, I mean, it should clean up alright. But this is what it is. It is a fully chrome Numatic nvq250. This came up on eBay. Paid a fair bit of money for it, but you do not see these very often. These were made for the Millennium. It's quite pitted with rust, but I mean, that all should come off with some cream cleaner and stuff. Don't know if it's got any tools with it. I think it's got a hose inside of it. Got a black underneath the motor unit. Ah yeah, it's got a hose with it. Not the original hose. Just the newer hose, really. I believe this came out of a prison as well. Front wheel's a bit manky on it. Tub's a bit manky inside, but that should all clean up. Filter could do with a wash. It's one of these weird micro filter things. Quite full of rubbish actually. But yeah, it could do with a good clean up, this. Apparently the motor needs, well, apparently it needs some oil on the bearings, but we'll plug it in anyway, see what it sounds like. It is a UDS on this. Oh Christ, just noticed that on that hose, but, well, we've got some good ends at least. So let's just plug it in, see what it sounds like. Hopefully it doesn't sound too bad, but you know. So here we go. Hang on. It does not work. Put that in the on off position. Right. Nope. Not having none of it. Let's just turn it on. No, not working at all. So I'm going to have a look at it. It's probably something simple. Might be a wire popped out in that plug. But, yeah, if it's got a popped motor in it, I'll be having a claim up with the seller. Get some of my money back. But yeah, I'm happy to have it. Definitely looks like it's been apart before. But yeah, it looks quite nice. And it will be a good addition to my collection. It needs another hook on the back as well. That's snapped off. It's got the original Numatic sticker, but yeah, it's a 20-year-old machine, so yeah, I'm happy with it. Just the fact it doesn't work, I can sort that. But anyway, there we go. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.